Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Trust Wallet account for NFTs. First, download the official Trust Wallet application from your phone's App Store. Once installed, open the app and select Create a New Wallet. Carefully read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Remember, Trust Wallet is a non-custodial wallet, meaning you have full control over your assets, which is a key advantage for managing your NFTs. The next crucial step is securing your recovery phrase. You will be presented with a 12-word phrase. Write these words down precisely in the order they appear. This phrase is your wallet's master key. Store it in a very safe, offline place, perhaps 2 or 3 different locations. Losing this phrase means losing access to your funds and NFTs, and sharing it means giving someone else full control. Now that your wallet is secure, it's time to fund it. You'll need cryptocurrency, such as Ethereum or Solana, to purchase NFTs and cover transaction fees. You can buy crypto directly within the app or transfer it from another exchange. Next, use the built-in D-app browser to navigate to popular NFT marketplaces. Once there, simply connect your Trust Wallet to the platform to begin exploring. With your wallet connected, you can now explore the vast world of NFTs. Browse different collections, discover new artists, and find pieces that resonate with you. When you're ready to make a purchase, always double-check that you have sufficient cryptocurrency in your wallet to cover both the NFT's price and any associated network gas fees. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Happy collecting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.